Whoa. Hey! Rah, rah! Wonderful. Just hello everyone. Happy New Year. If you guys are just joining, welcome. And if you guys are returning viewer, welcome back. It's a pleasure to have each and every individual who's watching this video once more. Alright? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So guys, I've seen where the Nona team releases a music. Right. And to be honest, to be frank with everyone, the Nona team with a lot of beautiful women is doing great because how I discovered these women, it was because of the song called Superstition. Right. That's where I discovered them. And I think they joined the music, industry 8 months ago, almost 2 years, almost a year. Okay. And, with them being releasing music this consistent, they are looking very awesome. Okay, my people. So guys, today I'll be reacting to this track by Nona. Alright, it's called Sizzle M theme song. Mobile Legend Bang Bang. Right, and it's starring Nona. Okay, it's big in 2026. 2026 just started, and people are starting music with some very excellent bangers that will lead up to next year, which is 2027. Okay, my people. So with that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what going on. And this track was done 2 days ago while this video has been recorded. So if you guys see this video after then blessing to have you all here. Peace. Wow, this is actually superb. The message is superb. Okay, so remember guys, they are celebrities. Okay, and if they are walking and the fans are probably the haters, probably they are flexing on, saw them walking, entering a room, they have to just look like because hey, these people are elevating, like they are putting their haters to shame, right? So with all these movement, a lot of paparazzis, people are there taking photos because of their fame. They are glowing. This type of music will last long in the game. Trust me. As one. Do like this song. Beautiful. And the irony is the women that are in this video are also beautiful as well. Great message. The message is very beautiful. I do like people with positivity in their songs. Alright. And the display of the video is top notch. It is mixing with AI and everything, bro. Very beautiful. Very creative. Alright. Hey, when they walk in the room, they shizzle because they're gonna rise. R to the I to the SE. And if the haters feel as if they can stop them, think again, haters. Think again. you're gonna get shaken off, man. Because why? They are sizzling. They are rising. They are unstoppable. I like to see people who are upcoming in this music industry proving the doubters wrong. That is how it should be done because a lot of people out there literally bring you down if they see you elevating, especially when you surpass them. Beautiful song. Beautiful. I do like the message of this song, bro. Hey! Rah, rah! Wonderful. Just wonderful. You know, with this display, they are showing how delightful they are. When they walk in the room, everyone have to watch them shizzle. Alright? And they went from 0 to 100 real quick, zoop, and leave the haters behind. Alright? And with the beautiful light in the scenery of this video, they are showing how beautiful they are rising upwardly. There's no darkness behind. Everything is just flourishing as it is. Damn, bro. Damn. Keep up the good work, ladies. Keep up the good work. I'm here to watch you all grow. Impressive. Impressive video, impressive song, impressive message. What I learned mainly about this song and what the message is been telling us is that, you know, always put your haters to shame when they talk down on you. Right? Anywhere you go, right, you have haters out there. Alright. So the haters will watch you shizzle. The haters will watch you grow. Okay. The haters will watch you zoop, leave them behind. Alright. So if the haters feel as if they can stop you, just go around them. Right? Remove the blockade and just elevate from there. Right? Very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good songs, Nona. Awesome. But if you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend that in him or about me, the Jamaican reactor. Happy New Year to everyone if you guys made it this far in this video. Subscribe, guys. Peace.